Alrighty, so on your NTREIS portal when you log in, there's RPR. Now it's going to log me directly in because I use it, but I'm going to log out so I can show you how to create your account. Now, when you click on RPR and you've never been in there, it's going to kind of look like this. Like whatever your office is, it'll show up here, but you're going to click create a new account and you'll put your last name in and put your NTREIS ID in there. I'll include your NTREIS ID in the email when I send you this video. All right, and that's how you create an account. Once you log in, well, once you create your account, it'll sign you in like this. Okay, and the first thing that you need to do is go to your profile here, because I have unlimited access. You need to have that as well. So you have to set up your MLS first. So profile, scroll down, you can put your logo, whatever you want, but have to set up your MLS. So I already set up my MLS and have full access. So you'll go to Texas. And our MLS is NTREIS. There we go. Right there, 9 North Texas, NTREIS. Put your ID in there and then you'll add it and it'll show up here, okay? All right, make sure you save it, okay? Now, once you save it, you're going to go over to home. Over to home. I'm going to take the listings you gave me. Let's do this one. Let's do this one right here. Well, I want to do a house. Anywho, I don't want to make a house. Anywho, I've advertised one of these. Copy that address. And it's going to pull it up. Here's the property. You have 12 photos. And I can create a report directly from here. Okay. Now, since I'm just advertising it, this is just one page. I'm going to do just one page of a property flyer. Pick the best photo. Do a headline. New property available. Add your description. You just took it from the property description. And then you can suppress anything that you want to suppress. And I'll go ahead and run it. Alright, when it's done, it's going to notify me here. I have my report bell on so I can hear it when it goes off. Any reports that you run will show up here at the top. And you can also fix your cover letter. So I included all of my elements so that everything will show up there. Now, I'm going to pause it until it's ready, okay? Okay, so now you see it'll pop up on my screen. I'm going to download the report, and then here's the report. Active, new property available. Here's the photos, map, everything. This will be your information down here. Look at that. That's awesome. Now, let me show you how to share it. So report options, post on Facebook, disclaimer, okay, boom. That's what it'll look like. Where is my video? Oh, there it is. All right, let me know if you have questions.